and or in Spanish. In this lesson, we're going to learn two very important little words in Spanish. Y and o. Y means and o means or. Just like in English, they help us connect words in sentences. Let's get started. Un perro y un gato. A dog and a cat. Un lápiz o un libro. A pencil or a book. How do we say one dog and two cats? Un perro y dos gatos. How do you say I have one dog and two cats? Yo tengo un perro y dos gatos. How do you say I have one male dog and one female dog? Yo tengo un perro y una perra. How do you say I have a black and white dog? Yo tengo un perro blanco y negro. How do you ask, does he have a dog or a cat? ¿Él tiene un perro o un gato? How do you ask, does she have a male cat or a female cat? ¿Ella tiene un gato o una gata? How do you ask, does Elena have a brown dog or a white dog? ¿Elena tiene un perro café o un perro blanco? How do you ask, do you guys have one dog or two? ¿Ustedes tienen un perro o dos? Well done! You've just completed the lesson on how to use and or in Spanish. These are just some examples. Remember to practice as much as you need and rewatch the videos a few times until you become comfortable with the material. Remember that learning a new language is not a sprint, it's a marathon. And the more you practice, the more you will remember and internalize what you've learned. When you've had enough time to practice the material, you can move on to the next lesson.